Those who believe and whose hearts find peace in the remembrance of Allah. Surely, in the remembrance of Allah, do hearts find true peace. True peace is not found in people, money, success, or this world. Real peace begins when the heart connects with Allah. Worries calm down, fear melts away, and the soul finally rests. This verse reminds us, the more you remember Allah, the more your heart becomes light, soft, and peaceful. Your heart will never be empty if Allah lives in it. Comment below. May Allah fill my heart with peace.